Hello Silly Bakers, let's make apple pie cottage cheese bars. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. Let's make our crust. In a large bowl, we're going to add 1.5 cups of almond flour or oat flour and 2 tablespoons of ground flax, 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. And we're just going to whisk those ingredients before we add our wet ingredients. We're going to add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I browned my butter. You can also use coconut oil. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Any sweetener will do. And we're just going to mix all of the ingredients until all the dry ingredients are well hydrated. So I added that to my baking pan and just evened it out before pressing it down with my spatula. We're going to bake this at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes until it's golden. Let's make our apple topping. I've added 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted, to a pot. We are going to add 1.5 medium apples that have been finely diced. No accurate measurement here, guys, just 1.5 apples is just fine. 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. We're just going to give that a mix. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Two tablespoons of maple syrup. Again, you can sweeten this how you like. I think a brown sugar would be great here. And we're just going to give that a mix. And just a pinch of salt. We want to cook these apples for about 5 minutes to soften them. You can see some of the liquid has thickened just a little bit. This is after about 5 minutes. We're going to turn off the heat, take it off the heat and let it cool while we make our cottage cheese filling. In your blender, we're going to add 1.5 cups of cottage cheese. You could also use ricotta cheese in the recipe as well. And we're going to add 1/3 cup of Greek yogurt for some extra protein and creaminess. 2 eggs. I'm using 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Again, you can sweeten this how you like. About 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. Don't forget to subscribe and to click on your notification bell. We're going to pour that into our cooled crust. And we are going to spoon over our cooked apples that have cooled down just a little, juices and all. And we're ready to bake. We're going to bake this at 350 for approximately 30 to 32 minutes until it's just set. A little jiggle in the center is okay. We are then going to refrigerate after it's cooled for about 4 hours. Enjoy our apple pie cottage cheese bars. About 165 calories. 7 grams of protein and about 2 grams of fiber per serving. They really do taste like an apple pie in a cheesecake bar. They're really, really delicious.